Are you struggling to monitor your applications, identify bottlenecks, or troubleshoot performance issues in real time? Welcome to Dynatrace, the ultimate platform for application monitoring, observability, and performance optimization. Whether you are managing microservice, cloud environment, or hybrid system, Dynatrace provides AI-driven insights to ensure your application runs smoothly. Now, before moving forward, you can just go to Google and search for Dynatrace here, and obviously you will find this website, right? Let's go back and let's check out the pricing. You can come to this website here, but obviously you can see here, this is really important because this is what it will play a major role, right? So here you can see it gives you three plans here, right? And more than three plans actually. And for the specific features, they charge around different, right? This is a $0.08 per hour for 8 GIB host, right? So you can come here, you can just check the view details and you can compare each and everything, right? And once you're satisfied with it, you can just go and click on start free trial. And okay, this is how it's load. You have to enter your business email and just go and click on continue. And after this, you have to fill up all this information. For example, you have to create a strong password. Then you have to enter your name, right, and your last name, your job title, the company name, and the country. So when select here United States, the region, and deploy region. Now here you can choose all that applies to your interest. So here you can see, for example, for me it's much for application performance monitoring, right, and the infrastructure monitoring, right, and there's a lot of features, right, and there's a business analytics that is really important, right. So here you can choose more than one. Now this is a phone number, this is optional, and if you have a promo code you can enter the promo code here. And once you're satisfied with it, just go and click on start free trial. And within few seconds, once it will just take a few seconds to load, and click on launch, and it will redirect to your new page here. Now this is the dashboard of Dynatrace here. You can check this out, and there's a lot of features, and obviously once you keep exploring you will find there's so many things which you can use it directly from here. So before we get started, let's break down what's make Dynatrace stand out. So according to them, Dynatrace is an AI-powered platform designed to provide full stack observability and automation for modern IT environments, right? It gives you AI powered, there's a full stack monitoring, there's a cloud native support, there's a real time alerts, and you can see here there's a cloud based and accessible from any device, scalable for small teams and large enterprise, trusted by companies like Delta Airlines, SAP, and Vodafone. So to get started, you have to just come up here. I have shown you all the stuff how you can get started. Now the dashboard give you access to key features like application, infrastructure, workflows, right? There's so many things. So once you just go and click on dashboard here, it will give you some of this basic information which you can check it from here. And obviously you can see here, you can in the get started, you will find all this information, and one by one you can just go there and you can check this out. Very first thing you need to do, that is connect your cloud platform, that is a Kubernetes clusters or custom application for full visibility. Now that is really important because the setup process is very straightforward, and if you're a beginner, just by watching this video you will get to know. Now here you can see, if you just go and click on the apps here, you will find this is for the observe and explore, right? Obviously Dynatrace gives you a lot of application for different specific purpose here, right? And while making this id, I just selected observe. That is why they gave me the dashboard here. But if I want to go into the infrastructure, you can see here this is a dashboard deliverable, software delivery, right? And this is application software security. So let's go to the security investigator, and once I go and click on here, within just few seconds automatically all this information will pop up. So let's go and click on create new case, and here you can just add all this normal very simple SQL code here, and you can just go and click on run, right? And automatically the execution will be shown up here in the bottom, right? And everything will be get recorded in the workflow. So you can just create a workflow. So for example, to create a workflow, let's go to the workflow here, and we can set this workflow. For example, you can automate this up just like N10 or Zapier. right? And Dynatrace gives you, for example, first of all, we have to put a trigger where everything will start here. So let's say I will just select here AWS, that is a, auto scaling. Okay, auto scaling detach instances here. Now this is a trigger point, and the second thing which will happen, so here once I just go and click on here, right, and I can just add a new application. So once that AWS automatically it will connect, so it should send me an email, right? So I can just go and click on here, send email. Then first of all I need to enter the input, right? So I have to integrate my email, right, Gmail or whatever email service you use here, and whom it will get sent, and what will be the context, and these options, and the sample result will be shown here. You can always code it up, right? So this is just like a Zapier, which help you to communicate between the applications and softwares, same way Anytin does it, but you can completely automate it, the autonomous work, right? And just to try this out, you can just go and click on run, and once you see that in the running application it's working perfectly fine, then you can just go and click on execution, and you can execute this automation process. Now there is a so many features. So one of the Dynatrace standout feature, it is AI driven root cause analysis, right? So here you can just go and search for problems, or you can just go to the application here, and somewhere you will find this option of problems here. So I will just go and click on here problems section, which view detected issues and their severity levels. So click on any of the, okay, first of all let's go to the problem here, and here, click on a problem to see impact service, user, and potential root cause. Use Devious to automatically analyze dependencies and pinpoint to exact source of this issue. You can follow recommended action to resolve the problem quickly. Now, this tool actually help you to save time and eliminate guesswork while troubleshooting complex system. And you can see here the active, inactive, close, and everything. For example, this is some kind of a problem which is related to error, or just error. So you can just filter this out, and you can easily find it out. And somehow it's not showing, you can just always go and click on refresh on the top right side corner. Now finally, Dynatrace provides powerful reporting tool to help you optimize workflows and make data driven decisions. So obviously there's a key matrix to track, and in your dashboard it will be shown up here. So there's a user experience score, there's a infrastructure health and resources utilization, there's a long-term performance trends and patterns, right? So use these insights to improve application performance, reduce downtime, and enhance user satisfaction. You can also export reports in various formats for presentation or audit. And by the way, obviously in the app section, in the if you want to integrate some of this application, you can do this. If you in the notebook section, if you want to create a new notebook, you can just go and click on plus icon. This is very easy to do. Same goes for workflows, and same goes for the hub, right? Sometimes it's take a little bit second to load the interface, but within just few seconds it does. Now you can see here it is already installed, which I've installed from the apps. But once you go to the hub here, you can just install more of the things here, and you can see here it get you can also link or integrate with Slack or Jira or workflows, right? So there's a it support, but I guess there doesn't support a lot of third-party application. But Slack is just for the internal communication between your teams. So it's a very important thing here, and you can integrate it up. So to set it up, it's really easy. Just go and click on setup, and obviously you have to log in with your Slack IDs. It will take you to the settings of this connection, right? And click on this connection. Now this is a connection name, you have to enter the bot token, right? The bot token that is obtained from the Slack app management UI, and once you enter it, just go and click on create. This is just like a secret passkey, right? You don't have to show it to anyone, but this is how you can integrate, right? And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to mastering Dynatrace for application monitoring and performance optimization. And if you find the link given in the description, you can use that link if you fully convinced to buy the some of the subscription, because it will help you to get a good discount, as well as it's a way to support our channel. Thanks for watching this video.